Hello everyone, I'm Harishti Samyukta. To tell about me, I'm quite ambitious and I do dream a lot about my future. And my future is I love science, so I want to become a scientist and do something good for the people and maybe to become an Indian scientist. So that's all my inspiration, aspiration, everything. And my motivational person is Abdul Kalam. So yeah, that's all about me. So let's get to the topic. Before starting, let's think about our daily products. So everything in this universe, including us and the universe itself, has its own expiry date, right? All products after their expiry date are stinks and is awful, isn't it? So have you ever wondered what will happen to our stars after they die? The stars are wonderful. They are simply brilliant. Even after their death, they produce so many colors in the void universe, which is amazing. So yeah, so let's learn about the afterlife of our stars. So first, let's learn about nebula. What are nebula? Nebulas are dust particles or a cloud present in the space which is made up of dust and gas particles. So a nebula more than one is the place where more stars or new stars are being formed, and the remains are the dead or the dying stars. So we can identify from this that nebula is formed by the destruction of the stars and is the place where the stars are being formed, which is quite amazing. Yeah, according to these are all universe mysteries and stuff. So yeah, let's get to the topic. So a nebula is really vast. It has a diameter of hundreds and hundreds of light years, which is really a lot. So let's see some of the different types of nebula. So here are some listed above, like reflection nebula, emission nebula, planetary nebula, and absorption nebula. And there are more, like dark nebula. So a nebula, we know that nebula contains gas and is far denser compared to its surrounding, the space surrounding the void. But if we take a nebula size of our Earth, the nebula's molecular mass or the matter mass is just few kilograms. So through this we can know that it is really far less denser than what we think. And even the Earth's vacuum, the vacuum created in Earth is far denser compared to the nebula in space. So this explains a lot about nebula. So some of the examples of nebula are Cat-eye nebula, Eagle nebula, and many more. So this is all about nebula. So after this beautiful creation, let's see another, which is nova. Nova is a rapid brightness of a star. It's nova is also comes from the word a new star. Nova is called, it's said as a new star because often the stars which look so dim to us in our night sky, after a nova can become the brightest in the sky, which is wonderful. So why it happens? First, why do you think, what is the reason for the stars to shine? So the reason why stars shine is because of the nuclear reaction or nuclear fusion taking place in its core, the star's core. The core contains, does the process of converting the hydrogen into helium ions. So this, the gas ions. So this reaction creates tons and tremendous amount of energy. This energy is exerted out in the form of flame, which keeps the star alive. A star is considered to be dead when it loses all of its hydrogen gas for the fusion reaction. Basically, it means that the star loses its fuel. So if the fuel is over, the hydrogen is over, the star is dead. So thinking about nova, mostly stars come in binary or in pairs. First, let's consider this as a white dwarf. White dwarfs are small but are very hot. So what is a white dwarf? White dwarf is an inert core of the star. So it's basically the dead star active inert core. Okay. So this is white dwarf, and let's take another red giant. So these two are orbiting around itself. So the white dwarf now has no hydrogen ions, like for the fusion reaction to take place. But its gravitational force is too much. Its core is really strong. Now it pulls the hydrogen from the surface of this red giant, the star near it, like the neighbor. So this hydrogen is absorbed by the white dwarf. This sudden hydrogen coming, is got by this dwarf, and the high temperature present in the dwarf causes a massive explosion, sudden massive explosion. This is seen so bright in our night sky. So this is what a nova is. A nova can be there present for a few weeks to a month. It cannot last more than that, but still the star will remain bright because of this process. So let's move on to another topic, which is novas are similar to supernovas. So supernovas, what is supernova? Supernovas are similar to nova, but the supernova has more massive brightness and stays for a longer time and produces a tremendous amount of energy. So what's the difference between nova and supernova? Supernova is caused by a star which is usually 8 times massive than that of our sun. I want to really thank all the scientists there who have helped us to know all these mysterious, beautiful events that have been taking place in our space. So yeah, that's really great. So thanks once again for all the brilliant minds that shine like stars. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.